you record your conversation
Yeah,
here in
I
Vigo,
I do
and then
share
you
it is.
post.
Yeah.
Oh, oh my God, I'm so shy.
Oh, why?
I have a YouTuber friend.
So it's okay, but I practice English. You know what? My theme,
Highly.
what I describe on my title. So I said, practice English with foreigner.
Mm-hmm.
That's my theme.
Oh, got it.
Yeah. Okay. So I want to. I will buy something for you from Bangladesh, and when I will be in um Philippines, definitely I will find you because you are my first guest in this platform. Okay.
Hey,
Yeah.
you
So
have a lot of posts already here in your Facebook.
yeah, lots of Facebook already. I think more than 200
Good thing I'm
something.
not yet here.
Sorry.
Good thing I'm not yet here.
Oh no, you are the first. You can
I,
check out my first videos. Go to 2 months ago video.
oh,
Go to 2 months ago
really?
video.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but I
Oh
was
my
not.
God.
But
Wait, allow me
okay,
a
okay, you can check
minute.
out. I didn't get any views on my early videos, but now if I
Mhm.
just upload this video by editing, so I will get more than 10,000, more than 50,000 views every single day. I'm getting so much.
You have 20K views.
No,
That's
more than 20K.
amazing already.
23K, 23.7K, 23.7K.
So you learned Bangladesh already.
Yeah.
Ano na, I haven't seen yet my face here.
I'm gonna to show
Wait,
you.
guys,
Wait.
I'm checking on it.
Oh, you second. I'm also just trying to
Sure.
figure out why you can't see. Here it is. I'm
Why no, I
so.
can't see.
Yeah, yeah. You know that.
I
See,
remember you're
see,
in the other
see. Here it
corner
is.
of.
Just,
Oh gosh!
just below the red color. It was
Yeah, I
uploaded
saw it.
July
Oh my god!
15. July 15. July 15.
I'm almost there. I'm August. Oh wait, I'm almost there. Gosh, wait. One moment. I'm so excited.
But I'm earning money also
Mhm.
from this Facebook page and YouTube channel.
I got it. I'm so happy for you.
I will buy a valuable gift for you. Promise you.
Oh.
Uh,
I remember you're previously you're in the corner, another other corner. It's a white background, and now you
oh,
have improved your background.
yeah, I sensed this background because lots of audience from my Facebook page,
Mhm.
they are just yelling at me, brother, please change your background. What is your expression right now?
I'm so proud of you, really. I just thought I mean, since I'm your first host that you've been lined on and then
Yeah.
encouraged to talk on you. I just thought that you're really just trying to know how to speak English. See, you're earning on it.
Yeah, already I have got $185, $185 in this month. So, so, so this, just recently my videos just goes viral on the internet. It's really completely spark on the social media. So every single day, I mean
Mm-hmm.
every single moment, I'm getting the huge positive response from my audience. My earning will go up day by day.
Mm-hmm. That's amazing.
I will buy.
Good
Promise you.
job.
Yeah, promise you. I will buy a big gift, a valuable gift for you.
Thank you. I will check on you 2024. So
Yeah,
you always online here.
yeah.
I'm gonna see you here soon.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank,
you so
thank
much.
you so much, Janlu. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Cheers for now.
Bye.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.